Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your HFM account. If you want to delete your account, be careful, because if you will do this setting, he will also delete your money that is standing on that account. So first of all, you need to withdraw your money from that account, and then after that you can do exactly what I will do. So let's give this a look, because right now I'm having here my demo account. This works exactly the same for live accounts. But right now, if you go right here to settings and we go here to archive trading account ID, right now he's asking us, are you sure you want to archive this account? Once archived, your trading account cannot be restored. Please download your trading history now to avoid losing it. So now we click here on confirm, and now our account is archived, and now it's gone. So this is exactly how you can delete your HFM account, and hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.